Mommy, go on and buy the soup and everything. Me'll deal with all of the fruits and vegetables, alright? Alright, just not forget to buy the pumpkin and the thyme, you know, 'cause every minute you also forget. That's why I'm gonna make you do nothing. And I'm gonna forget, mommy, me have the list right here. So, okay, just go and go do it at there. Them say them out the fish soup, so you have to go wait a little bit. Mommy, you forget to give me the money for buy everything. I want to you. Why you look so? Your father. My father? Mommy, what you talk about? You know, see the Indian man over there, so. Mommy, a true Indian man over there, so, you know? I the one with the shorter ear. Me go talk to him. It don't even make no sense, cause he not even remember me. Me go make him remember you. Are you name Hardeep? Yeah, man, I mean name Hardeep. How you be? So, do you remember one woman named Carrie Ann? I remember one girl named Carrie Ann used to work with me back in the 90s. Oh, so you don't remember getting that woman pregnant back in 1991? Lady, the only woman me remember getting pregnant in them time there, I'm a wife. Maybe I may mix up with somebody else, but only one woman alone me get pregnant them time there. So you go. You go there like to me to my face. Daddy, how would that girl here? Me and my daughter. Young lady, me don't know who tell you that, but only one daughter alone me have and she there right here, so. So you go sit down here and lie to her, say you're not my father, eh? Really? Daddy, why this girl are you laughing? My girl, you eat that or something? Your father get my mother pregnant, me I the same age. Amita, come where I live right now. Alright, I'm gonna buy 12 bucks of patty. What you want?
I could stay like this, forever following you.
Them have callaloo patty, cheese patty. Damn, man, you one of the most beautifulest women I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, did you just fart? Because, man, you just blew me away. Yo, you. I'm gonna ask you what you want to eat and you over here, so what you do? I'm tell you that. Yo, what the hell's wrong with you? Why you trying to embarrass me in front of the girl? Like, come on, man. You, stop waste time, no man, we have things to do, you know. Say, look, brother. For easy himself, alright? But you, I like for page you. No, not right now, alright? Yo, we have some things to do, okay? So, maybe one next time. Alright, me link, okay? Yo, whatever in the ramping thing, man. Things, man, I try to get done, you know, and appear foolish, you see I go on with, you know. Man, you're such a fucking cop blocker, man. You see I was talking to the girl, and then you come over here trying to embarrass me and shit? Yo, then if you easy yourself, man. You see the girl no want you. What the hell you go on so with me for my fault? Yo, I'm getting sick and tired of your shit, man. I'm gonna call mom and tell her I wanna go back home. I don't wanna live with you anymore. Fine by me. You're even worse a pitney for deal with than Anita Ross. Yo, just fuck off, man. I'm going home. Yo, my, just because you can't get no girl, no come try go on the most way with me, you know. Rick, I came to apologize. I guess I was wrong. I shouldn't have went into the room like that. It's not your fault, I'm over Rico. It's my fault. I shouldn't go on the most way with you. I don't mind being your friend, Rick, but I don't want to deal with no side chick thing, alright? That's not the type of person I am. If you want me to leave, I will come back next time. If you want me to do that. The woman in the picture, she was my wife. She, she died about a year ago in one car crash. The thing is, I was supposed to pick her up, but I never do it because I did with one other woman. She kept ringing off my phone. I'm never on site, so she take a taxi. And that's when everything happened. She was pregnant. When I painted them, she was gonna have twins, and I can't deal with it. I blame myself for it every day. I should have picked her up. I never did. My fault, Sharina. My fault. She did. It's all my fault. Can't blame myself for that, Rick. But she needed me and I wasn't there for her and then. Yo, my tell for friend for easy herself and a man her things will get from bad to worse, you know. I said the girl honesty, nobody can chat to her, she just fool like. Just give her a little warning or something. Because if she make my baby mother kick me out, she not gonna like it. I tell you from long time saying if I chat to her, me know my position unlike she. Yeah man, me know man, you're a good girl. Man is she. She gonna like her head too hot. She get some lunch part her papa live. Me try talk to her. Even though she not like listen to nobody. Man, you know like answer your phone. Yo, Octavia, easy now man. I have some things with me to deal with, alright? Anthony, I have to talk to you about something important. Alright. Forward outside, I'm gonna talk to you. So, what you want to talk about? Yo, I want to. Why you look like you ever cry? Yo, Octavia, what do you can tell me, you know? I see my father today. So, why you so vexed? You finally get to meet him? Him not claim me. Yo, forget about if him no want claim your money. Anthony, I'm pregnant. What you mean you're pregnant? Are you a baby? Why you push me for? From me, look boy. Me in love with you, you know. I'm gonna say what that have to do with you pushing me. Why you never tell me from early on? I don't know how you gonna behave. You have so much kids already and I don't want put no more burden upon you. Octavia, out of all the women them I sleep with, you're the only one. You're the only one me ever feelings for. No one on the planet can have my heart like how you have it. You serious, Anthony? Never been more serious in my life. You wanna go in your room and talk about this? So I think say that be vexed about the baby. Vex? You make me the happiest man right now. I tell my mother about it. She said she happy say you are the father because she really like you. Tell her no worry about nothing. I gotta take good care of the two of you. Want my baby to have a good father. One what me never have. But I one thing where you will never forget worry about. I love you, you know, Anthony. You not even know Octave how much I love you. I gotta take good care of you, don't worry about it.